Hello, YouTubers. Today we'll be shopping at Harbor Freight for the garden equipment. So we'll be looking at all the chainsaws, all the the weed eaters and all that, all the garden materials, the shovels and stuff from Harbor Freight. So all right, let's go ahead and get started. Hello, YouTube. All right, let's look at the tools here. This is a cordless blower. It's 40 volts. This is like these tools are kind of expensive, but I guess it's the portability that you charge a battery and then you don't have to carry a wire around. So I guess that maybe that's why they're so expensive. But the batteries are pretty expensive too. They're about $59.99 for those. And these are the plain old electric tools. See, there's a battery right there. Yeah, these are a little bit cheaper because they're cord. Oh, these are the nice the portable sheds or canopies. Nice. The edge trimmer. I gotta get me one of these. String trimmer. For $29.99, it's not that bad. Electric chainsaw. They don't have any in stock, but I guess they'll probably have some. I've seen these in other stores. Not too bad for the $49.99. I gotta check see if there's coupons for all these. And they got the chainsaw. This is a gas powered. $169. Not too bad. Sorry guys, my phone's going off. And we have some garden tools. Little cart there. Chipper shredder. Gas powered earth hugger. Got a few shredders there. Tyler, log splitter. They got a bunch of machines here. I mean, they don't got all of them on display, but they do have plenty of machines there. Hydraulic. Oh, there's the pressure washer right there. The gas pressure washer for $2.89. Just gotta wait until they go on sale. Get them cheaper. Save some money. $3.64. Yeah. $3.64. More pressure washer. It's a little chipper shredder. It's the same as the other one, but this one's gas. So it's a bigger engine, heavier duty. You can put a branch through there, I guess, a long branch, and it'll just suck it through. Right there to the right. And there's the box for it. $4.69. That's the hole I was talking about there. More equipment. The backpack sprayer. All these sprayers are good if you're just gonna use them for your house. If you're gonna be using them every day, they're not gonna work for you. So, yeah. Some more garden equipment. That's a nice torch, propane torch. If you want to burn all your weeds. Some stuff for the garden, shovels. Gotta give me one of these shovels. Some more tools. The clearance section and the warehouse. Alright, well, thank you guys for watching. This was my quick shopping for garden tools. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.